Hello children, today we shall do a very important topic of English grammar, that is determiners. This particular topic is considered to be one of the most important topics of functional grammar. I have seen children facing a lot of difficulties at school level and at other competitive levels also. Okay, so today in this video I will try to make it more clear about you some basics of this particular topic, that is determinants. Before we move towards the uses of determinants, let me tell you what actually we mean by determinants. Before you read this particular word determiner, consider this word determine. What does it determine? So when we try to find out the meaning, we will find out any word that tells you that the next word in a sentence that is coming, if that is a noun, so we should feel that that word is determiner. Any word that is coming just before a noun, that is a determiner. In a way, we can say it has similarity to the word adjective. Okay, so there are many types of determiners we have. First we shall do, it is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjective or demonstrative determiner, it is very important. It demonstrates something. Okay, it explains something. Okay, there are basically four words that we use for demonstrative. The same four words we use as demonstrative pronouns also, but the same words they can be used as demonstrative determiner or demonstrative adjective also. Okay, so I'll tell you the difference between these two. This and that, these are used for singular nouns. These and those, these are used for plural nouns. Okay, this and these, this and these are used for the things which are near about. That and those, these are used for the things which are quite far away. Okay, so we will try to understand the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative determiners or adjective through examples. See here, this is my pen. Next sentence, this pen is mine. Now see these words. In the definition of this determiner, I told you any word that is preceded by a noun, any word that comes just before a noun, that is determiner. So see here, this pen is mine. So the word pen, here it is noun, and the word this, it is determiner. But then the question arises, then what this word is in this particular sentence? This is my pen. Okay, so here this word is demonstrative noun. See, this, that, these, those, when we use, so basically it's a kind of explanation. We when we demonstrate something, so there we use this, that, these, those. Like this is a marker, the same marker, it is suppose far away, so there we use towards, means with some pointing, like that is a marker. Okay, like these are children, those are children. So when we explain this way in the beginning, so these are demonstrative noun. But when these words they are used before noun, so there these are used as demonstrative adjective or demonstrative determiner. Okay, next part or next topic or next type of this determiner, it is possessive. Possessive determiner, it is also very important. Here also there is a word possess, means it explains some kind of ownership, it explains some kind of belongingness. Okay, so there are some certain words that explains this kind of ownership or belongingness. So what are those words? Possessives also, these have two types, possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Okay, so we will explain here and you will find it very interesting. Listen, possessive determiners, like when these words are used before noun, these are possessive determiners, and when these are not used with nouns, these are possessive pronouns. Listen, my, our, your, his, her, their, its. Okay, so these are the words. Or when we use this apostrophe like Mohans, Sohans, okay, these are the things. So when these words are followed by noun, when these words are followed with noun, these are possessive determiners. Okay, possessive adjective means you can feel any word that comes just before noun. I told in the beginning of determiner this definition. Any word that comes just before noun, that is some sort of adjective, and when we do this word determiner, so these are some sorts of adjectives also. So see, the same sentence I use to explain this kind of thing. This is my pen. Pen here is what? Noun. This is noun. And the word my, it is what? It is again this possessive determiner. It is coming just before noun. Okay? Here, this pen is mine. Another word is there which is not mentioned here. Now this you cannot say that it is adjective or it is demonstrative adjective. It is demonstrative determiner. You cannot say. It is having a different meaning. Listen. Now I make another list here. Listen. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its. See, these are the words. When these words are not used with noun, okay, these are self-explanatory. So there we use them as possessive pronouns. Okay, listen, the same sentence. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. So here the same sentence. We can take another example also. Listen. That house is yours. That is your house. So the same meaning I tell here. House is here noun, and the word your, it is determiner. Which determiner? Possessive determiner. But see the next sentence. That house is yours. Yours here. What do you think it is? It is possessive noun. In the same sentence, that house. So what is here this word that? That is demonstrative adjective, because house is considered here, or house is here used as a noun. That is your house. So the word that here, it is possessive. I means either here it is demonstrative noun. Okay. So these are only two types. We will do the next three, or yes, next three types of determiners in the next video. I hope you understood the topic well. Okay, I'll soon catch you later. Thank you.